Hey guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Today let's talk about this MWell ring and also the state of the smart wearable market in the country. So let's get started. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of this ring, pag-usapan natin ang current state of wearables in the country. We're seeing a flood of smartwatches hitting the market, offering a wide range of features and price points. Now, while the market isn't quite saturated yet, it's clear that consumers are starting to look for alternative ways to monitor their health. Ngayon, nagsisimula na ring mauso ang mga smart rings. Even tech giants like Samsung have jumped on the bandwagon, although their offering isn't available in the Philippines just yet. Now, if you've been browsing Lazada or Shopee, malamang na may nakakita na sa inyo ng mga smart rings that pop up with prices ranging from under 2,000 pesos to over 5,000 pesos. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin naman itong MWell Smart Ring. I have been using this for about a week now and I realized that it's not just about the hardware, it's the ecosystem that MWell built. MWell has created a comprehensive platform that connects their telemedicine services, partner establishments, and doctors to end users through their application. This integrated approach is truly what sets them apart from the competition. Now, when you decide to buy one, you've got three color options to choose from. No? May black, may silver, at saka meron din silang bronze na version. I went with the sleek black version for this review. And when I first put it on, I immediately noticed that it's a bit heavier than my wedding ring, which took some time getting used to. I've been wearing my wedding ring on my left hand and the MWell ring naman on my right. Now, compared to my smartwatches, the sensor array might seem a bit limited. May way ito para ma-monitor ang heart rate. There's also heart rate variability, resting heart rate, and oxygen saturation. Plus, it provides a comprehensive sleep report that's quite impressive for a very, very small device. Isa sa mga gusto ko dito sa MWell ring is its battery life. I've been consistently impressed by how long it lasts on a single charge. Now, from my observation, it's only using about 12% of its battery life per day at maximum, which is really quite remarkable. And when it does need a charge or top up, the included charger gets the job done very quickly. And speaking of charging, ang reklamo ko dito medyo tricky, yung pag-position ng ring correctly on the charger. You'll need to fiddle with it a bit to find the right spot. But once you get the hang of it, it's not actually a major issue if you get the hang of it. Now let's talk about the MWell application experience. The MWell ring syncs seamlessly with the MWell app, which is compatible with Apple Health. I have not tried this on Android app, or my Android devices rather, as of the production of this video. But in my experience with the Apple application, this integration is key, in terms of how well MWell built their ecosystem. The app doesn't just collect data from the ring, it also tries to extract relevant information from Apple Health, consolidating everything into one place. So whatever my Apple Watch is getting from the sensors, the Apple Health app's data will then be consolidated into the MWell app, thereby giving you a wellness score. Again, as I mentioned, all this data feeds into the MWellness score. This score basically serves as a hub for holistically bettering yourself, giving you a comprehensive view of your health and wellness. So, ito na, should you get the MWell ring? The MWell ring represents an interesting step forward in the wearable tech market in the Philippines. Yes, medyo basic yung mga kaya niyang ma-monitor and also the type of data that it provides may be a bit different from what you're getting on smartwatches because the sensor is getting it from a different source. Sometimes it can be a little bit off, and there needs to be some time to really understand which one is really getting better signal or source from. Is it really better getting it from a fingerprint, and which particular finger? Because in terms of how they devise the FAQs on the MWell application and also on the MWell website, hindi nila technically sinabi kung saan yung best, but since the ring finger is situated here, this is where I put it. But if you go naman sa Samsung's website, they usually would recommend to put it on the index finger. It's different, no? How well or how they treat it on the Amwell app. Is it better also on this side, kapag ka naman smart watches? And just do note that Amwell also has its own range of smartwatches. So hopefully we'll get to receive also a smartwatch from Amwell for us to compare no, kung ano bang mas maganda at mas reliable na data. Ngayon, sa mga hindi naman sanay na magsuot ng singsing 24/7, which same, no? Ako rin naman ganoon, no? Hindi ako sanay kasi I take off my wedding ring kapag dating ko ng bahay, no? Medyo magiging adjustment nito, no, para sa inyo. The integration, however, with the Amwell app and ecosystem adds another layer of value, potentially making it more useful than standalone devices. Pero no, yung integration na ito will depend on how well Amwell continues to develop and expand its platform. In fact, I suggest na kahit wala ka pang smart ring or smartwatches sila, you can download and install their Amwell PH app so you can check out their telemedicine services, which I am mind blown kasi ang dami, no? In fact, lahat yata ng mga Metro Pacific affiliated hospitals, no, nandoon if not some, no? And there are some accredited doctors that are there that you can directly message for a fee, no, for consultations. And another thing that I would like to point out is some consumers might find the price of the Amwell ring more expensive than the smartwatches they or even other brands are offering. I understand that the technology is new and they managed to put the basic sensors and battery on this tiny little device. It isn't definitely easy to pull off, definitely, but for $7,999, some might look for a cheaper alternative. Then again, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, you're not just actually paying for the ring here, but for the ecosystem, which is solid for me, no, that they have built along with their wearables. Yun, no? So, that's it for our video today. I hope na nakatulong ito sa mga nag-iisip na bumili ng Amwell ring. It's a solid device and I'm definitely going to keep this. How about you? No, interesado ka ba? No? If you have any questions about the Amwell ring, hit the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching. This is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. If you have not subscribed to the channel, now is the best time to do so. See you in the next video. Bye!